heading out to Ivestor Gap with the Greenville Rover Club. We got, I think, 2 other rigs coming with me. We got Adam going, and then we've got Marlon coming out. He's got the black Range Rover from the Uwiri video. Should be a great time. Looking forward to it. Been looking forward to this ride for actually quite a while now. So pretty excited. But let's get going. So we gotta go meet up with Adam, and then we gotta go meet up with Marlon, and we got a long day ahead of us. So let's go rovering. We're on our way to Ivestor Gap right now. We got Graham in the car, who is silent and quiet and trying not to fall asleep, I think. Yeah, true. We're on Green River Road right now, so we're taking the kind of gravel route out to Ivestor Gap, with probably about half of it's going to be asphalt. We got an lr3 with us, Marlon with his L322 full-size Range Rover, and Adam with his lr4. And I'm in the D1. Almost took the Range Rover, but I'm in the D1. So it's a good day. A lot of adventure today. A lot to do. A lot of driving. So pretty excited, Graham? Yeah, it doesn't sound like it. You're supposed to be like, woo! Yeah, that's better. Yeah, super excited. Let's get it. Alright, we're at the head of the Ivestor Gap Trail. Airing down tires. We're about to get going, so pretty excited. Look at those views. They hit my window too. Now that we cannot do. Look at that. What I do every time is I just leave everything for the bears, and then just plow on the kitchen equipment every time. Box for this one to the back to like slide out the kitchen and everything. But it leaked so much from all the windows that it's a good bad. I think I'm gonna do it on the Range Rover because I did one on my Sport. It was awesome.
Bye.
All right.
Jackson. Jack. Too late.
What do you call it? At a, you know, like...
Like a green market?
Yeah, yeah, flea market, yeah. And I was like, okay, is that good? Do you want more?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I saw that and I was like, I have to have that. So, yeah, hopefully it's good. There we go. I started getting a little freaked out. So I'm like, okay, I'm walking fast. I jumped in my Range Rover. I was terrified for some reason. And when I jumped in my Range Rover, all of a sudden, over the mountain comes a huge storm and just drops. So you know how there's that silence before the storm? That's all it was. But I mean, it scared the living crap out of me because there wasn't a bird chirping, there was nothing. It was just complete silence, no wind. And I'm like, what is going on here?
Got a group picture done. About to head out. It's my vlogging.
Hell yeah.
So, yeah.
Ah, we're gonna die. Maybe not gonna die. Good. All right, come back passenger now. Hard passenger. I think you're good. Bump it, bump it. All right, you wanna go driver a little bit? That was pretty close. Driver.
Good?
Yeah. All right. I go passenger a little bit. That's driver, that's not passenger, but okay. Yeah. Slow. All right, straight. All right. Driver side a little bit. Driver, driver. Rocket. All right, slow. All right. Now you're gonna go passenger just a little bit. Go. Slow. Now ease it in. Now driver. Woo! Nice, dude. How's it?
Hey.
On our Ivestor Gap trip. Awesome trail ride. Had a great time hanging out with the guys at Greenville Rover Club. Yeah, nothing super crazy trail wise, but it was definitely a fun day. Definitely good to see some of the guys and hang out for today. Had a great lunch, and honestly, just a good time spending time in the river, doing river stuff for the day. So we will catch you guys next time. Hopefully, we're going to be doing some camping and stuff. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you guys do that. See you next time. Oh, no Rover trip complete without Rover things happening. Waiting on a tow truck. So Adam's LR4 split belt. Looks like it's leaking some oil. Just a headache. So he's got a tow truck coming, so I'm gonna head out. But that's the end of Ivestor Gap now. So thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you next time.